Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of crafting with wood and metal. If you've ever wanted to beautify your home or turn your passion for crafting into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy the content. We encourage you to stay with us until the end of the video, as we'll explore some simple yet stunning decor ideas using these versatile materials. Let's get started. 1. The appeal of wood and metal. First, let's discuss why wood and metal are such a popular choice for home decor. Wood brings warmth, texture, and a natural aesthetic, while metal introduces elegance, strength, and a modern edge. This combination caters to various design styles, from rustic and farmhouse to sleek and industrial. Consider the emotional appeal of these materials. Wood often evokes feelings of comfort and nostalgia, while metal can symbolize innovation and sophistication. When combined, they can create pieces that not only enhance your home's visual appeal, but also resonate with customers on an emotional level. Whether you're crafting for personal enjoyment or for sale, understanding this appeal can help you connect with your audience. 2. Simple wooden crafts. Now, let's explore some straightforward wooden crafts that you can create. One popular idea is wooden signs. These can be personalized with quotes, family names, or seasonal greetings. Start with reclaimed wood for a rustic look, and use stencils or freehand your designs with paint. Not only are these signs easy to make, but they also carry a personal touch that customers love. Another engaging project is wooden coasters. You can cut circles or squares from scrap wood, sand them down for a smooth finish, and apply a protective seal. To add a unique flair, consider wood-burning designs or using paint to create colorful patterns. Sets of coasters can sell well, especially when beautifully packaged and marketed as gifts. Lastly, think about making wooden planters. With the rise in indoor gardening, creating stylish wooden planters can tap into a lucrative market. You can experiment with different shapes and sizes, from small herb boxes to larger planter boxes for patios. 3. Metal crafts and their versatility. Moving on to metal crafts, the potential here is vast. A simple yet effective project is crafting metal wall art. Using sheets of metal, you can cut out various shapes or designs. Think nature motifs, geometric patterns, or abstract art. This type of decor can serve as a stunning focal point in any room, appealing to those who appreciate modern aesthetics. Consider creating metal candle holders as well. Using metal rods or scrap pieces, you can design unique holders that accommodate different types of candles. Not only do these add ambience to a space, but they also make excellent gifts. You can experiment with different finishes, such as brushed metal or patina, to create a variety of looks. Another idea is to create functional items like metal hooks or racks. These can be designed to hold keys, coats, or even kitchen utensils. They're practical and can be customized to fit various styles, making them appealing to a wide audience. Combining wood and metal. One of the most exciting aspects of crafting is the ability to blend materials. For instance, consider creating wooden shelves with metal brackets. This combination not only looks fantastic, but also provides sturdy storage solutions. You can customize the size and style of the shelves to fit any room, making them a versatile product. Another lucrative project is crafting furniture pieces, such as a coffee table with a wooden top and metal legs. This type of furniture is in high demand and can be sold at a premium price. You can experiment with different shapes, finishes, and styles, showcasing your unique creativity. Additionally, think about creating decorative items like picture frames that combine wood and metal. A wooden frame with metal accents can provide a contemporary twist on traditional decor. These items are relatively simple to make and can appeal to a broad audience. 5. Marketing your crafts. Once you've created your stunning crafts, it's essential to think about marketing them effectively. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are fantastic for showcasing your work. Post high-quality photos that highlight the details of your crafts, Share behind-the-scenes snippets of your crafting process and engage with your audience through comments and polls. Creating an online shop, whether on Etsy or your own website, can help you reach a wider audience. Make sure to optimize your listings with keywords that potential customers might use to search for products like yours. Consider offering seasonal promotions to encourage sales. Participating in local craft fairs and markets is another excellent way to reach customers. These events allow you to showcase your items in person, connect with potential buyers, and gain valuable feedback. Always remember to bring business cards or flyers that provide information about your brand and social media handles. In conclusion, crafting with wood and metal offers both creative fulfillment and potential profit. From personalized wooden signs to elegant metal candle holders, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to success is to enjoy the crafting process, remain open to experimentation, and let your creativity shine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafting tips and ideas. Thank you for listening, and happy crafting! Thank you for watching our video on simple wood and metal decor ideas. We hope you found inspiration for your own crafting projects and ways to potentially profit from your creations. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crafting tips, DIY projects, and home decor ideas. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating great content for you. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.